You're enjoying your favorite YouTube videos. And in that video they're game shooting every single strand of hair. You see some people's dodging the bullet shots here and there. Then you feel better and more relaxed to the fact that the video is your favorite. But there comes a network problem, then that TV show become lagging. Suddenly you heard a bullet shot on top of your roof. In less than few seconds bullets shot begin to fall everywhere. Now I know exactly that TV show is a vision. Then you grab your computer to call an emergency. You squandered a minute to dial the emergency number owing to tension. Now your house is at high risk, the sound of the bullets increases per second. You look through the window and saw massive soldiers walking into your compound. It don't seem like running, anyway you choose to get educated, that's why you searched various ways to react to bullet shots. In your search results, you see our video and click on it. It all begins now. How to dodge a bullet shot. You may be thinking if a trained soldier can dodge a bullet shot. Don't worry, you're at the right place. Okay, let's start. How to dodge a bullet. Method 1 of 3. Considering your distance away from the gunner. Before you talk of dodging a bullet, you should put the distance between you and the gunner in consideration. Consider this distance by using the length of 3 football fields, or let's say 400 yards. If you are very closer to the gunner or you don't exceed the above mentioned distance, we advise you to hold your feet, don't try to run or just even turning your back, because if you do so you are a dead rat. Compensate with the gunner, ask them what they need with a confident voice. Don't try to do anything suspicious at this time if you love your life. Don't ever beg for your life as they do in movies. Now after putting the above steps in consideration, the next step is dodging the bullet. When I talk of dodging a bullet I mean dodging the gunner's point of view before he pulls the trigger. There is one voice that keeps shouting over time saying that a typical human being cannot dodge a bullet. This is due to our computation delay. You can only see when the trigger is pulled but cannot respond to changes instantly. It is left for your brain for action. The brain processes what your eyes have seen and convert it into an image for further actions. You should consider our brain computation delays with that of a gun. The gun does not delay at all, it throws the bullet instantly with an incredible velocity. Hope you have not forgetting the voice that says a typical human being cannot dodge a bullet. This voice is exactly correct. One will never evade a bullet shot regardless of your speed and finesse. Even the slowest handgun can reach speed of 760 miles per second. But what of when you are very far from the assailant, let's say 400 yards as mentioned previously. The longer the distance between you and the gunner, the worser the eyes sees distinctly. When you have exceeded a distance of 400 yards, then you won't even see the gunner clearly. Talk more of the gun itself. Method 1 of 3. Considering the type of gun used. Before attempting to dodge any bullet you're advised to consider the type of gun used. We know that considering this is a tedious task. Are you saving your life or do you want to die? What concerns you with the type of gun used? But we want to tell you that putting this in consideration will almost save your life by 50%. When you consider the type of gun used, then you should know the type of confinement which will override the bullet penetrating force. Assuming you just saw a soldier shooting carelessly, and you chose to hide behind one kind of weak confinement like that. When the army releases the bullet, it will probably kill you by making a small hole beside the confinement. This type of confinement is called concealment, as it will only prevent the gunner from seeing you. Method 3 of 3. Considering the direction of the bullet. Before you think of dodging a bullet, you should know the direction of the oncoming bullet. It's a well-known fact that you can't see a bullet in motion because of their incredible velocity. Man-made things are absolutely greater than them in terms of any situation. Bullet shots, bombs and so-called weapons travel very faster than man who made it. You You can clearly estimates the direction of a bullet by sorting the direction of the gunner and its point of view. Don't run in a place with less obstacles with the gunner. Count your teeth with your tongue when you notice that the gunner has stopped in order to sight you at a specific point. Unlike when the gunner is running after you, it is hardly to maintain a stable state of target. So do everything you should do to keep him running than leaving behind targeting to shot you to death. Thanks for watching. One quick joke before leaving the channel. Are you ready? Then consider waiting till 10 seconds.
Story. There was a stillborn boy whose name was Adu. On one Saturday afternoon his father asked him, "Why is that you don't read your geography anymore?" The stubborn boy insisted that he learned from his teacher that the world is turning every day, that's why he waits for it to cool down. One word for Adu.
Thanks for watching. Share this video with your friends, families and loved ones and go ahead to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tap the notification icon to see our latest content immediately once uploaded. Thanks for watching. But wait, I want to ask you some query. Have you heard of anybody dodging a bullet ever before? Leave your answer in the comment section below. See you soon.